The Markaz-e-Ruet-e-Hilal Committee Karnataka has officially announced that the crescent moon for the Islamic month of Zhul Hijja 1447 AH was not sighted on Sunday, May 17th. Following a meeting held after Maghrib prayers at Darul Awqaf on Cunningham Road in Bengaluru, the committee declared that the first of Zhul Hijja will begin on Tuesday, May 19, 2026, and Eid-ul-Azha or Bakrid will be observed on Thursday, May 28, 2026. The meeting was chaired by Mufti Iftikhar Ahmed Qasmi, member of Imarat-e-Sharia Karnataka and member of the Central Moon Sighting Committee. According to the committee, the crescent moon was not sighted in Bengaluru or other parts of Karnataka, including Hubballi, Kalaburgi, Kolar, and Chikballapur. Reports from several major Indian cities such as Chennai, Delhi, Vijayawada, Patna, Allahabad, Lucknow, and Bengal also confirmed non-sighting of the moon. After consultations with Islamic scholars and ulema present at the gathering, the committee unanimously announced the beginning of Zhul Hijja from May 19. Prominent scholars who attended the meeting included Hazrat Maulana Abdul Qadir Wajid Sahab, Hazrat Maulana Ijaz Ahmed Nadvi Sahab, Hazrat Maulana Sayyid Manzoor Raza Abidi Sahab, Hazrat Maulana Khari Zulfiqar Raza Noori Sahab. The announcement was issued by Mufti Dr. Muhammad Maqsood Imran Rashadi, convener of the committee. Bakrid, also known as Eid-ul-Azha, is celebrated on the 10th day of Zhul Hijja, the final month of the Islamic lunar calendar. The exact date of the festival depends on the sighting of the crescent moon, marking the start of Zhul Hijja. Since the moon was not sighted on May 17, the month will begin on May 19th in Karnataka. Accordingly, the 10th day of Zhul Hijja, Eid-ul-Azha, will fall on May 28, 2026. The month of Zhul Hijja is considered highly significant in Islam as it includes the annual Hajj pilgrimage, the day of Arafah, and Eid al-Azha, which commemorates Prophet Ibrahim's devotion and sacrifice.